Wedding Expo. Tonight is the beginning of a celebration, one that honors a decade of love stories, enduring partnerships, and unforgettable moments. For 10 years, the Cebu Wedding Expo, Weddings at a Waterfront, has been where dreams first take shape. It is where couples discover possibilities, where ideas become plans, and where I do begins long before the walk down the aisle. Every wedding starts with a single decision. The decision to spend a lifetime together. But behind every beautiful celebration is a community of passionate professionals who make those dreams possible. And that community is each one of you here tonight. Let's give each other a round of applause. That is why we choose to begin our 10th anniversary with an exclusive launch. Because milestones are never achieved alone. They are built with trust, they are sustained with collaboration, and they are celebrated together. This exclusive gathering is also a promise that our 10th year will not simply be bigger, it will be more meaningful. The next chapter begins tonight. On behalf of the entire Waterfront family, thank you to all of you for being part of our journey. And as we celebrate the wonderful years, let us remember this. Every great love story deserves a remarkable beginning. And together, we have the privilege to make those beginnings come true. Again, daghang salamat, maayong gabi, mabuhay.